He was the wheeling dude. I gotta watch out for you.
Hey, it's you know, bait and switch.
Yeah. He's like, watch out for that guy. He's over here trying to steal stuff.
I'm late. I'm late. What'd you get? You got a Wii, you got all these games. Look at this guy. Wow, nice. Hey, is that a DS in there too?
It's DS, yeah.
Jeez, you suck.
I figured you'd be here. This is in your neighborhood. I'll be there right here.
Good job, man. Man, I'm late. I always beat him, but I was late today. Dave Ramsey, $20. Ooh. Now I gotta find one thing just to tell him I found something. Irene. Huh. Well,
if you're a camera guy, this one's a cool one.
look at that one. How much you got on that one?
This one is $7.50.
$7.50. $10 for that one. That's not bad. Would you do 2 for 10? I'll take both of them.
Sure.
Sure.
Yep.
There's a little hesitation in there.
So just make sure you don't
He comes and finds all the good stuff, and he doesn't even want me to have what's left over. There's 10. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
What do you got on these over here?
$1 a piece.
Okay, even if it's like a set.
Yep.
Okay. Game of Thrones. Third season. Board game parts, usually that part's up pretty good.
$3. I'd get rid of
Parts
those
out,
things,
but $2, a little pricey.
I can't wear it. The Lakers play the Wizards and Michael Jordan. That's where I got that from.
Yeah.
So we got to see. So I was a Lakers fan growing up, but
I'm
I
gonna
got to
park
see
that
that.
out and make money just to show you I can. I probably shouldn't.
$5.
$1? You selling your booth? I don't know. Doesn't look great to me. I just figured I'd give it to you, you know, since you got all the good stuff today.
I'm right here. I did a dud the first one. This was get $3 on.
$4.
The fondue doesn't have anything on it.
I can tell you, all I want is this. And all I want is this and this. I'm gonna throw the rest of it away.
Do 3 for everything.
You can do 2. Them things ain't gonna make a lot of money.
Yeah.
I mean, they're pain. I gotta test them. And I won't make.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll make a little bit, but I ain't making a killing.
Yeah,
but you gotta think, look how much stuff I get rid of for you. Look how much room this is getting rid of.
You said he was the wheeling dude. I gotta watch out for you.
Hey, it's you know, bait and switch.
Yeah. He's like, watch out for that guy. He's over here trying to steal stuff.
Bait and switch. You can always tell them no. Tell them $100 a piece for you.
We do $6 per hour.
I don't know how much it's premium.
Yeah.
All right. Classic game, married with classic entertainment. Usually good. That one's gonna be good for sure. I've sold it. All right, unlike him, I'm gonna pay you full price.
Yeah, right. You buy $1 things when you sit.
All right, this is my little pile right here. I'm gonna keep looking, okay? Don't let him touch it.
I always feel it all.
I'm looking at this if you don't mind.
Go ahead, look at it.
Irene. Because I looked at it before and I didn't buy it, and then you bought it, so now that makes me want to have it.
He's scared he missed something.
I bought one of the big ones the other day.
Made that copper?
And I'm gonna take it down to I don't know what it's made out of. See, that's why you bought it. You bought it for the
Well,
metal.
no, I mean, people like that
Yeah.
stuff. They like that old. When I saw it, I
In
knew
your
what it
booth.
was. But I mean, I've seen.
Oh, I knew what it was, but it didn't. Oh, you mean the metal?
Well, the metal's copper, but
Right.
people like these old fire extinguishers. I don't know when it was
I
done.
bought one of those big ones.
Yeah, the big ones are worth a lot too.
Plated. Man, they're not as much as you'd think, you know? I mean, they're all right. For what I bought it for, it was all right.
Well, I know you didn't pay much for it.
I didn't pay for Oh, jeez.
Oh, you know what? I'm seeing stuff.
Steamer. Hey, that's pretty good. You use that for your clothes you sell, you know?
It literally has not been taken out of the box.
These sons of bitches right here. Look at that.
Oh my gosh!
You missed that right there.
I can't believe you missed this one too. Man, you're slipping in your old age. I don't know.
Hey, you got a quarter?
You don't.
Oh,
I don't
come
have a
on,
quarter.
man.
I don't bring change.
I was gonna say I have quarters.
You guys like risk around here, don't you?
Well, they were.
I keep on hearing his name more often. It's like he does all the buying. I've noticed.
Oh, he's the spender
Okay,
for sure.
I'm just hearing. You notice that?
For sure.
I'm going to give you $2 and I'm going to let them go because
Okay,
I think
all
we're
right.
cutting in front of them.
Perfect.
All right.
What are you? Okay.
You owe me 75, but I don't
75?
even need it. I'll just make up for the difference he was haggling for you.
Okay.
All right.
You need, I can carry one thing in my hand.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
why I can carry this.
That's all right. That's all right. I don't need your help.
He is boxes.
All right, y'all. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bizarro Kevin's already been here, said there was nothing here, so I just got to find one thing to make it worth my while. Maybe I'll just take a picture of something I've already found and send it to him. Tell him I found it here.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Morning.
Hi. That was easy. Pretty good shape too. Bronco. Pretty good shape. So the block should sell for about 25 plus shipping. It's in pretty good condition. It's got the knives with it, but you see it's missing this one. It's missing the extras. So it's gonna be probably a passer unless they can come down to 15. All right, I've got these for 5, and you got 25 on that knife block. So I was gonna offer, I'd be happy to pay 25 if it had everything with it, but I'll offer you $15 if you want to do that. But I'll definitely take these either way.
I'll do 20 on the knife block because the block itself is pretty.
Right. Yep. I think I'll.
Because those knives haven't been used,
Right.
even though it's not a full set. Those are like brand
Oh
new
no!
knives, so.
Look. It's not a bad price.
Yeah.
It's not bad. I can't even find my money. There it is. That's tough. I think I'm gonna pass on it, but thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate it. And there's your 5.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Oh, can I have the sticker?
Can you have the sticker?
Yes,
Sure. Absolutely.
Well, because there's a
I can get
zillion
it for
people
you.
that are, doing the sale, so we're keeping track.
Oh, gotcha. I gotcha.
That
Absolutely.
was 17 each? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll give them one.
There you go.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. It's a church sale, unadvertised. I didn't see it anywhere. Heard it from somebody at a yard sale. So we'll see. I'm bringing my bag, which means I won't find anything. A Cabbage Patch. Yep. Look at that, y'all. So that's Teddy Ruxpin. And we'll put it in and dig through it later. See how much they want. That's a good movie. All revere wear. I think. Yep, all revere wear. Look. And out, parted out. No wrench. Flush. Pluto. His head's a little wobbly. Pepe Le Pew. No problem. Whenever you see this, it came from a Valentine or something like that. Usually not as worth as much. Kid sister. It's my buddy. Kid sister. Gonzo. That's just a little too beat up. Cornelius. Yukon Cornelius. Look at that. That's a winner. You don't even have to part it out because it's already parted out. There's no gun. So I dug through a little bit. Check it out. It looks like some of it's Rainbow Bright stuff, which is pretty cool. So I can't wait to dig through that at home. See what stuff's in there. I wish the dolls were here. Alright, those are interesting. They'll go in my booth. Those will sell in my booth pretty good right there. Where do you resell?
eBay.
eBay. Okay. I saw you picking. I'm like, this guy knows what he's doing. I know he's a reseller. Did you find anything great?
I mean, it's all small value items.
Do you mind showing me?
Yeah, sure. This is a pretty good find. It's
Not
about
bad.
40 bucks.
Nice. Look at you. Ice skates. What'd you find on the ice skates? I saw them earlier.
They're like 60 bucks each.
60 each.
Yeah, and they're
Nicely
vintage.
done.
So these aren't much value, but
No, but they're pretty cool.
I could probably sell the whole set for like 40, 50 bucks.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right. You can part these out. Pretty good. It's not in very good shape though. Might be worth parting out. But everything is there. See these little things right here? I'm gonna leave it here for somebody else because it's all here. Somebody might want it, and I got enough for today. Looks like I should have checked out 30 seconds ago.
All right. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
He's ready. Okay. I gave him a quote of 10 on the skates. Okay. 10 on the skates? Yeah, 10 on each pair. So, and then the laptop will probably get fine. I don't know if it works. Right? Yeah. So yeah. So then, what about?
Do y'all like
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Well, she said what? She said 10. You said 10. There's 3 pairs of skates. 5 on the computer. Yeah. What about all together 25? How's that sound?
all together 25?
You stay right here, I'll go.
I think that's a decent price. That's real decent.
Yeah, enter for
Charge you storage fee.
Yeah. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Just give me a price and a whole lot.
What do you got?
You can tear it
Pots and
apart if
pans?
you
No,
want.
I don't need to do
I got a
that.
bunch of stuffed animals. I got pots and pans down here.
What do you think? Maybe 15?
How about 25?
I won't argue with that.
Okay.
Appreciate it. It's going to a good cause.
All right.
Thank you
That
so
is
much.
awesome. Let's see. Do you need 1s or 5s or anything?
Whatever you got is fine.
All right. Whatever I got is fine. 1, 2, 3. Well, I was gonna give you some 1s, but
That's all right. We'll just do 24. Yeah. No
All
worries.
right,
You don't
well,
have to make change or anything.
whoop.
Thank
There
you so
go.
much.
Thank you.
Thanks for
I
coming
appreciate
by.
it. I appreciate it. All right, y'all have you too. Tell me your name.
My name is Joshua.
Josh. So how long you been picking?
Literally not even a month.
Not even a month. So I asked him. I said, "You watch anybody on YouTube?" Because he's got a pretty good eye there. Really good eye. He did pretty good. And he said Froggy Flip. So what'd you learn from Froggy?
So I learned that doesn't really come down to like, you know, selling $60 items, making a bunch. It's more like lots of items, like
bread and butter.
hundreds.
Bread and butter.
Yep.
You got it. You got
Yes,
it,
sir.
man. So, all right.
do it.
Well, tell Anthony hello.
Hello, Anthony.
I'll make sure he watches this.
Heck yeah,
all right.
that's awesome.
Good stuff, man. I'm impressed. Hey, I'll give you one little hint. You'd be amazed. Sometimes the baskets are worth money. Turn them over if they say Rubbermaid, and if they're old Rubbermaid basket, you'd be amazed at the strange stuff you can make money on.
Yeah,
Are you in, what are you in, college, high school?
I go to CVCC for welding.
Okay, awesome.
Yes,
So
sir.
you're my kid's age. I wish he was out here hustling like you.
it's really good money.
He hustles, just
Yeah.
not like this.
Yeah.
But he started to resell too. All right, sorry, I just saw you and I saw you pick some good stuff and I just thought I'd say hey.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Nice meeting you, dude.
All right, you too.
Take care.
Hey y'all, thanks for joining us out there on the garage sale trail today. We found a few good things, met a few nice people. If you want to see what we're selling this stuff for, come on over to the Commonwealth cabin and check us out on the Commonwealth Flipper channel, and you'll see what we're selling it for. If you liked it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that alert bell so you can get some notifications when our next video is coming out. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.